Hey guys, it's Ron from Bad Boats. We got you another exciting video this morning. This one's from Nantucket. So apparently some people got up and decided to go on a little stroll on a little foggy morning in Nantucket and found a floating car. So I guess that's what they call in Nantucket, a floating car. Down south, we just call them average bloopers. But anyway, so let's get to it, take a look at the video. As you see, it's a black SUV. Now, who would just leave their SUV in the water and not call the authorities? Must be a little bad for it. But if you notice, there was a Florida tag on it. But, man, it's way out there. I wonder if they got their cargo out. Yep. She's in there good. Anyway, guys, what do you think about it? What do you think reason why someone would leave their car in the water and not call for help to get it out? Leave your comments below and we'll see you on the next one.